In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes in Framer. We'll walk through this from the very beginning, so if you're new to Framer or just getting started with designing layouts, this will be easy to follow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create basic shapes that you can use as building blocks for your designs. First, open your browser and go to the Framer website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your projects. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard or projects page, where you can see all your existing work. If you're just starting out, you might only see a few projects or even an empty list, and that's completely fine. From this project's view, look for the project you want to work on. This might be a website, an app layout, or any design you've already started. Click on the project thumbnail or name to open it. Framer will load the editor, and you'll see your canvas in the center, with tools and panels around it. Now you're inside the project where you want to add a shape. To create a new shape, you'll use the Frame tool, which is the core container element in Framer. The quickest way to access this is with a keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press the F key. When you do this, your cursor will change to indicate that you're now in frame creation mode. With the Frame tool active, move your cursor over the canvas. Click and hold your mouse button, then drag to draw out the shape. As you drag, you'll see a rectangle forming. Release the mouse button when the shape reaches the size you want. You've just created a shape in Framer. This frame can act as a basic rectangle, a container for other elements, or the foundation for more complex components. You can resize it by dragging the edges or corners, move it around the canvas by clicking and dragging inside it, and adjust properties like fill color, border, and corner radius from the right-hand properties panel. If you want multiple shapes, simply press F again and repeat the click and drag motion to create more frames. This simple workflow is how you quickly block out sections of your design, such as headers, cards, buttons, or image placeholders. And that's all you need to start adding shapes in